up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 54 of Build the Legendary Cyborg ROBOCOP from our wonderful friends over at Fanhome. Now if you'd like to build along with me this beautiful 1/3 scale ROBOCOP, head over to this link here. That takes you all the way to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable version in the description below. Take out a subscription and build along with me, folks. You will not be disappointed. Let's have a quick scoot through the magazine. There's the history of ROBOCOP. This was ROBOCOP 3, audience reception. Yes. Didn't quite land as well as the other two, if I remember rightly, but there you go. A little bit of a data file going on there, showing you everything that's going on there. This is what we've got today. We've got the back of the pelvis and the base one. Got some clips and things like that that are going to be attached to the base. You're going to need the half a base. Also, you're going to need your lower leg section that we put together from the previous sections. You're going to need that today as well. And we're going to be putting on the back side of the pelvis section on there. Okay, so we're just closing that all off. And then this is the brackets that we're going to be fitting to the base just to join the two halves together. So yeah, and that's what you're going to end up with on your ROBOCOP, okay? It's looking good, isn't it? Next up, in the 100 years of robots even, I'll get it right one day. This is Misty 2, an adorable semi-autonomous programmable robot. Yes, there you go. It gets the kids thinking, doesn't it, and using technology, and I think it's great because their minds are going to be baffled and boggled by all of this. This is mesh of a metal foam magnified 10 times under a microscope. Yes, metal foam. Who'd have thought it? And there you go. An efficient hybrid material. Yeah. Give these a read, folks. You're going to find out so much. I mean, aluminium-based foams. Who would have thought it? All right, let's flick back and have a looky-kins at what we've got today. So we're going to need our lower legs, so we'll grab them. There you go. So that's our lower leg assemblies that we've been working on from before, folks, okay? And we're going to be putting the pelvis on. So we're going to be doing that and then joining it right the way down in these areas, right down in there. Okay, you can see the hole right down the end of my finger. So we've got our section there. So we're going to lay that on behind. And then we'll see then how that all joins on. It goes right back down in there like that. So it's going to be interesting getting them screws in there, isn't it? So we'll see whether we can open them legs and move them so that we can see what we're doing, because the screw heads are right down there. And we've got two down the bottom there as well. And they are EP screws, folks. Okay, so we'll grab them. We'll put them on the bench. And we'll see how we get on with it. I think there's 5 of them that we're going to need, so let's get another one out. Okay, we'll get all 6 out, Cole. Went well, didn't it, mate? There you go. And see whether we can actually get this together. Let's grab our first one. Put a bit of oil on it. And we're going right down in there. So it's a rather difficult area to get to, but you'll get there. But like I say, don't be afraid to move the legs to get the screw in there, folks, okay? I'm going to need a longer screwdriver, I think. Just to get in there. There you go, right the way down there. And that went in lovely. So we'll keep that screwdriver for now. And these are all Partwork screwdrivers that you get, folks. And I'm using these ones today because they allow me to get further into the model than I can with the other ones. So let's feed that all the way down there. and get that in place. Like that. That's gone straight in perfectly. So we can now knock them two legs together and then turn the lower limbs around so that we can get to this top area there. And we're going right down in there now, folks, just in there. See it? That's where we're going. Let's grab our next screw. Like that. And just put your hand underneath the pelvis. Just so that you know your screw's fully home. And then we're going to do the same with the last one as well, folks, okay? So let's get a bit of oil on. Shove that in there. Let's see whether we can get to that one. Nice and easy. Try not to tremble and knock the screw head off, though. That's the operative choice. There you go. We got there. Just turn them around so that we can see what we're doing. There you go. Right down in there. I don't need a lot of turning, to be quite honest with you, but when they're on, they're on. And that is giving you the pelvis section, like so, going on your RoboCop, folks, okay? So that's that bit sorted. So we can move them now off the bench, put them away nice and safe. Now we bring out our base, which is this. And this is a screenshot of, or screen print of RoboCop on this base. And then we've got 3 pins that are going in. And they're going in with EP screws, folks, okay? So let's grab them. Like so. And then we can screw them on. Just like so. So let's grab them. We are going right in the middle there, like so. And we're coming 1, 2, 3 there. We're going to have a spare there for some reason. So that must be coming in a later issue, folks, okay? So let's just grab these. I'll pop these in situ, eh? Like that. Like that. Straight over the top like so, there you go. And just screw them in. All the way there. Like that. And then do the same with the other 2, okay? So we'll spin that one round that way, just so that it's easier for me to reach. And grab our screw there. And whop that in place as well. Like that. And then we can spin that round. And screw that fully home, like so. And these just hold these 2 halves together, and then these just rest on the floor so that the middle of the base don't sag. And then leaves us the last one of those to go in place. Just grab that in place and send that fully home as well. And that is what you're going to end up with. You're going to end up with this done. And also the back side of RoboCop, folks, okay? It's massive, isn't it? So that's where we're going to finish today. Don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link. There's a clickable version in the description below the video. Pop. Head over to the Fanhome website and take out a subscription for this iconic piece of memorabilia. Until then, folks, remember, click the little festa in the corner. Join me channel. It is free. It helps me grow my YouTube channel, folks, and I really do appreciate it. And ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. You'll get notified of future content. Until then, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.